Earning money through online surveys and microtasks won't make you rich, but it's an accessible way to generate extra cash during downtime. Legitimate platforms like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Amazon Mechanical Turk (mTurk) pay users for completing small digital jobs, from answering consumer surveys to transcribing receipts or tagging images. While most tasks pay just 10 cents $2 each, strategic workers can earn $50 $200 per month by optimizing their workflow. The key is efficiency. Focus on high-paying tasks. Product testing surveys often pay $5 $20. Use browser extensions like Turk Suite for mTurk to filter low-value hits, human intelligence tasks, and multitask during TV time. Survey quality varies dramatically. Avoid sites requiring upfront payments. Legitimate platforms never charge to join. Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel and YouGov offer passive earnings by tracking your browsing habits, paying $50 per year plus sweepstakes entries, while branded consumer research, e.g., Coca-Cola's Taste Panel, may send free products to review. Higher-paying niche surveys exist through platforms like Respondent, $50 $150 per 45-minute B2B interviews, or user interviews, $100 plus for UX testing, though these often require professional backgrounds or specific demographics. Microtask platforms reward speed and accuracy. mTurk workers increase earnings by mastering batch tasks. Processing 500 receipt transcriptions at 5 cents each becomes $25 per hour with practice. Tools like Panda Crazy automate task grabbing, while scripts, legal within mTurk's TOS, pre-fill repetitive fields. Specializing in certain requesters builds qualifications for better paying work. Some academic studies pay $10 plus for 20-minute cognitive tests. Other platforms like ClickWorker focus on AI training tasks, labeling images for machine learning, which scale well once you learn the guidelines. Maximize earnings with geographic arbitrage. Sign up for international survey routers, Toluna, LifePoints, that offer higher pay in certain countries. VPNs violate TOS, but bilingual users can qualify for non-English studies. Join multiple platforms to always have work available. Prolific specializes in academic surveys with fair pay, $6 $12 per hour equivalents, while Scribby offers consistent transcription microtasks. Payment methods impact net earnings. PayPal is universal but charges fees for currency conversion. mTurk's Amazon gift cards avoid this. Some platforms, like PrizeRebel, reward points redeemable for crypto or Visa prepaid cards. Track all earnings for tax purposes. Even small amounts are technically reportable. While microtasking won't replace a job, it's ideal for students, stay-at-home parents, or anyone monetizing idle time. The most successful workers treat it systematically, 2-hour daily shifts, using multiple monitors, keyboard shortcuts, and productivity timers. Over time, you'll identify the highest-paying task types and requesters, turning spare moments into a steady trickle of income.